Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a pie graph in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. Click on Elements and scroll down. Go to Charts and click See All. Here we can see pie and donut charts. Choose your preferred style. Let's click this one to add it to the page. On the left side, we can see all your items. You can update the items and data as needed. Check out the Customize if you want percentages or numbers. For this example, let's use numbers. Now you can change the color for the pie chart. Just click on the color box and select the color you want. You can also add a title for your chart by clicking on text. That's it, a simple pie graph in Canva. Thanks for watching.